Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths Exercise 5.3, Question 7 and 8. Question 7, Sin squared y plus cos xy equal to k. Sin squared y plus cos xy equal to k. Sin squared y differentiate பண்ணுங்க. Find dy by dx. Question is find dy by dx. Sin squared y differentiate பண்ணோம்னா not cos squared y. Sin squared y first இந்த 2 word differentiate பண்ணுங்க. It is 2 sin y. Okay, x power n is nx to the power of n minus 1. அதுக்கப்புறம் sin y differentiate பண்ணுங்க cos y. அதுக்கப்புறம் y differentiate பண்ணுங்க dy by dx. Okay, finished. Then come to cos xy. Cos xy difference பண்ணோம்னா minus sin xy. We can stop here? No. xy difference பண்ணோம். Here xy is in uv product. X is u v dash plus v u dash dy by dx plus y x difference பண்ணோம்னா 1 equal to 0. Got it? So 2 sin y dy by dx. இப்போ dy by dx நம்ம சப்ஜெக்டா எடுப்போம். 2 sin y cos y. இதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? 2 sin y cos y is sin 2y. Minus x sin xy. இதை நமக்கு multiply பண்றோம். Bracket expand பண்றோம். Sorry. We are expanding the bracket. Minus x sin xy dy by dx. Minus y sin xy equal to 0. Now dy by dx is a subject. Sin 2y minus x sin xy equal to y sin xy. Bring it dy by dx. Y sin xy divided by sin 2y minus x sin xy. காப்பி பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Okay. Question 8. Sin squared x plus cos squared y equal to 1. Question 8 is sin squared x plus cos squared y equal to 1. Sin squared x differentiate பண்ணுங்க. Find dy by dx. 2 sin x cos x. Sin squared x if you differentiate 2 sin x. Sin x if you differentiate it is cos x. Plus cos squared y. 2 cos y. Cos y if you differentiate minus sin y. Be careful, minus and sin y, put the bracket. Then y differentiate dy by dx. 1 if you differentiate it is equal to 0. Here the people will commit mistake. 2 cos y minus sin y they will put. You have to put in the minus sin y is the bracket. Sometimes they are not differentiating 1, they are keeping 1. So be careful. This is also because differentiation on both sides. 1 if you differentiate it is 0. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x minus 2 cos y sin y. It will be minus 2 sin y cos y dy by dx is equal to 0. 2 sin y cos y is sin 2y. Sin 2x minus sin 2y dy by dx equal to 0. Bring it dy by dx. Sin 2x, if it goes right hand side, it will be minus sin 2x minus sin 2y dy by dx. Next is dy by dx is equal to minus sin 2x divided by minus sin 2y dy by dx is equal to sin 2x over sin 2y. Copy it down. Okay. Always remember sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.